How to replace your sunload sensor on your 2017 Ford Fusion. Now what you want to do, all you need is just a little plastic pry tool, or I used a little flat blade screwdriver. If you're using one like I have, just be careful not to scratch up your dash. I just start from one end, got as much as I can popped up onto it. Then I went to this other end here and just kind of worked my way to the middle of it until I got it all loose like you see here. Now you will have two connectors, one for your airbag switch and one for your sunload sensor. So what you'll want to do is just kind of grab from one end of it, this little tab, just like that. Push this tab in and unplug. You'll have one back here. I'll need two hands to do this to get it unplugged. Or you could actually, if you're just replacing just this sensor here, just held in by two tabs and just push upwards onto it to get it off. So I ended up taking my whole thing off here. You'll have a tab that's facing, if you're looking at here, you'll have a tab facing this way that you want to push in while unplugging. So now to get it off, like I said, on this sensor here, you'll have this tab here and one on the other side. You want to squeeze those two together and push it out. So here is the new part. Now it only fits in there one way on it. So you can try going one way on it. It won't plug in. Turn it around until it snaps into place. That's all there is to it. Then go ahead and plug your airbag switch in and go and plug this back in. After you get those connected, just kind of get it lined up and just kind of push down onto it. Make sure the back ends of it, and that's all to it. That's how you replace your sunload sensor on a 2017 Ford Fusion. Thanks for watching.